Hey everyone, it's me, Regina, and it has been a total minute since I've been on here, and that is because, obviously, with this video, I got a job in Upwork. I do part-time and a bit of full-time sometimes on there, which has been keeping me quite busy. So today I just want to share with you exactly how I got my job and tips on how to land that job application. My son here just woke up from his nap and he really needs his cuddles, so don't mind him. So with your profile, you can check on the right side of your dashboard on Upwork if your profile is 100%. Now, I did my own research and I found a blog within Upwork that shows you how to get that profile completed. But not exactly how, but there are ways. An example would be if you, of course, when you create a profile, you're gonna put in your employment history. So when you put 1, that's equivalent to 10%, but the maximum you can get within that section is 20%. So if you just put in 2 or more employment history on there, you're good to go. You have to move on to the next category to fill it out. Now, as much as possible, you fill everything out. I tried doing that, and for some reason I was able to do it 100% without even applying or uploading, on the upload your video introduction. But I just pretty much filled up the cover letter, the portfolio. I went all out with my designs and my past work and everything else in between. That was pretty filled out, and I was able to do it in about 2 to 3 days. It sounds long because I'm busy with this baby, but if you're not busy with a child, this can definitely be done in a day. It's a little bit of a hassle at first because you have to fill everything out and pretty much gather your whole history, but in the end, I believe it's totally worth it. All right, so the next tip I'm going to talk about is your job application and what you're going to apply for. Make sure it is exactly what you want to do, what you can do, and what you can definitely deliver for your client. Because if you apply for something just because and you get hired and you don't pull through with that project, it's going to take a toll on your ratings, because if you have bad ratings, you won't get much projects. And if you have good ratings, you'll get more projects, and you'll also be invited to be interviewed for some jobs. Like, employers will look for you. I'm not even gonna brag, but this is just so that you can feel inspired or, just to work hard. I get about 1 or 2 invites a month because of the 5-star ratings that I've gotten from my clients. So make sure that is exactly what you want to do and that you can deliver. And now with that, the next tip would be your cover letter. Now make sure when you create your cover letter, it shows that you really want the job and that you can actually do it and that you're the right person for it. You have the timeline for it. The clients love to hear that you have time for it because they don't want to feel like they're the backseat passenger of your work. They have to be your partner. They have to be next to you. They want to feel important. So make sure that cover letter projects that. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly how I wrote mine because it still has to be you on there. But I will add that since I do social media, I also listed down the links of the accounts that I used to work on in my past freelance life. So that the clients don't have to go all the way to my profile to see my experience. Now with this, you have to spoon feed your client. And with that cover letter, you show everything there without them having to click somewhere else. The cherry on top that I believe that got me the job, the interview, and got hired was, for me, I attached a PDF file which was in a presentation style of my past works. So it was basically a portfolio of everything that I did in the past, and it was around 8 to 10 pages, not too long and not too short to get them too bored with it, but not too long to where they're like, this is too much. But it was very visual, not many words on there, and since I'm in social media, I attached all my works with graphics and my past work on companies, small and big, and it was all there, and even my personal work so that they could see my creative side. But if you're not in social media or graphics, there are different ways on how to show your work, and I just edited mine on Canva. There's tons of templates on there that could help you out just to create that quick PDF that will show your clients. So what you really have to keep in mind is you really have to spoon feed your application to your clients, because they're reading so many applicants, and it could be a hassle for them to read through your whole entire profile. But if it's all there in that cover letter, just the whole entire gist of what you do, I think that's what gets you that interview. So with that, I wish you guys all the good luck out there. Be confident on yourself. I know these are hard times for everyone, and this is exactly why I wanted to do this video, because I do get a lot of questions from my friends seeing when I post something about my work, because everybody needs work right now, because I'm sure some have lost it. So I hope this helps you, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, or not at all stay-at-home parent. This can definitely help you get that job. Of course, I can't 100% guarantee. It's still your profile that needs to impress the clients, but this is just how I got mine, and I hope, again, this helps you. Now, stay safe out there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to find out more about myself, about my beauty obsession, and just about my motherhood life. So follow me on my socials. You'll see it all right here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.